Yeah. I could have never done anything. But when I Jehovah bongeko, let me take a time to thank you, Mavava. This is called Freestyle by your boy, Mavava Nation. Hey Lord, may I bow before your holy throne. I know I'm a sinner on this evil world. Even I got dirty hands. Also my name got blood stain. But Lord, I'm sorry. This world put my soul on the trouble, it's true. I grew up with anger and pain in my heart. Shabo, I remember when my mama dumped me on the street after bed. But you showed mercy on me. My granny took care of me. Yeah, I remember when my dad was just a spy. There was no food on the table. Even I got no clue what to do. And I was young, nothing I couldn't do. But I never forget to pray every day when I wake up. I was living with 4 sisters in one room. I remember the year when my granny passed on. I felt the pain that I couldn't maintain. From my bleeding heart, my heart was going slow. Even I got no one to comfort, cause that soul acted like a mother to us. Everything changed from that day. I feel empty and the sky was plain. No clouds to bring hope, one day it could rain. The situation caused me to stand up as a man. I finished at school, but I didn't go to the university. So life forced me to stand up and pay for my sister's school fees. The pain and the hardness that I go through wasn't easy, but I know you were with me. I remember one day when I bowed before you, asking the way and the light on the darkness. But I know you never give yourself time to listen on my fucking prayers. I feel like the world was crashing, cause my life was falling apart. Yeah, sometimes I was scared to take a chance, cause the devil was convincing me with fear. Also the devil come with evil plans. I took a chance and followed him, then I saw a change. Even the world was with me. I saw my dreams coming true. I didn't dream about my entire life, but you grabbed my hand back. Lord, I'm sorry. I remember the time like just to push the gospel. Even my friends laugh, also my enemies grow. But I know you were testing my soul, it was for real. 2-3 years, I worked for you. You gave me a crown like a king. You told me I must go back to music, but I feel like it's not fair. Now I'm in a game, I see some change than before. Followers grow day by day. People daily asking for my release. The family grow, I truly thanks. Cause nobody make the Mavava Nation ngaphandle kwakho Jehovah. You change the chili wabandona to Mavava Nation. You change the gangster to a preach. And now please Lord, show your result on my flesh, so that people can see and learn and guide me until heaven. I know I never did it by myself, but you God did. Yeah, this is God DiD Freestyle by Mavava Nation. Let's get focused, the Mavava Nation, to my upcoming EP, Inyadzaleyo EP. May the Almighty bless you. Let's hold hands together. I promise we could make it. Hey, this is called Freestyle by Mavava Nation.